This is Johnny Japan.
Kansai giant. Yeah.
Kansai. This guy just builds literally like everything, anything. We're gonna do the bash plate first, and then we're gonna move on to the tail tidy, and we'll get rid of all this crap. We're gonna replace these with some awesome little Kellermans. So far, and then we're moving on to the tail tidy and all that sort of stuff tomorrow as well. So keen. And before we get started, guys, please take the time to hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos weekly, and also like this video if you took anything away from it, anything that helps you. Please chuck a little thumbs up. It's all greatly appreciated. And we're back in glorious Brookvale for day 2 of the bash plate and tail tidy build. I just had a meeting. It's already 1 o'clock. I was meant to be here at 12, so I felt bad. So I got some coffees. Hopefully that cheese him up. He's literally just working away on it now. Hopefully I didn't miss too much, but it's okay. That's okay. It's also raining, which is nice. I like it. Oh, my hands are full. Crap. I want to get that wet. Lock the car is locked. My serviette. Okay, I think I'm good. I think I'm sorted. Let's do this. I'll put this hood on so that the lens does not get dirty. Okay. Hey. How are you, bro?
Good, bro. Yourself?
Good, man. How's it going?
Good, man.
Pumping?
Been nutting out a couple of things while you've been gone. I like to
just have a bit of you time.
Yeah,
yeah, fully,
yeah.
absolutely.
It's just less pressure when someone's not looking over your shoulder with a camera in your face.
Yeah, that's right. Like this.
So I've got this thing
looking
a little bit more.
What the hell? That's sick.
A little bit more complete.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
It looks pretty good with it bolted on there. It follows the lines of these exoskeleton tubes.
That's awesome, man. Exoskeleton. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it an exoskeleton for now. That is sick.
I've still got to fennel it a little bit, but
yep.
I just thought I'd give it this rough shape and then kind of gives you a better idea of what it could look like.
Yeah, for sure. What's fenneling?
I just like tweak it, like
fine
tune it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It just looks chunky, hey?
Yeah.
That's what I want.
I'm just going to do some practice beats on a bit of valley now before I fully weld these up.
Okay. It's exactly what I was picturing, hey?
We could, I'll weld it up, we'll pull all the tape off it.
Yep.
And then we'll draw some fresh lines on it.
Yeah, cool. You do that, I'm going to add some food.
Yeah, do it.
Looking pretty badass. We're going to delete the welds and then, what do you call it? Scuff it up?
Put a grain back into it.
Grain.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Just with a bit of sandpaper and Scotch-Brite and a bit of patience.
Ah. Is that what Sam would have done to mine? The tank?
Yeah.
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That is tidy, bro. Far out. Crazy. Alright, it's time to get my hands dirty. I'm gonna pull this off. Yeah, it looks so much better. Alright, so we're going to reuse the guard and cut it down around there-ish, just because, I'll show you underneath here it's literally just got this massive gap there, and obviously the tyre's flicking this way, it's just going to shoot crap all down there, so it definitely needs to be covered up. I'm never going to use this back end again, so it's perfect. Got the bar marks there as well, so it's right around there. Do you reckon you could like cut up there as well?
Yeah, mate, I can do whatever you want.
Because I'd ultimately, I'd like it to look like it's just that, you know what I mean?
Right, okay. I'll like bulk it up. It'll have to be off these two.
Okay, right. Yeah, it's perfect. I didn't even see it. That's exactly what I wanted. Nice. Stop all the water. I should see it. Yeah, it'll stop most of the water. Be a bit. But I'm not planning on riding too much in the rain and crap anyway.
Yeah.
I like riding dry. Yeah, it's awesome.
You're going to keep it simple for this one, I think.
Yeah, I'm down for that. So is that rotate or does it go back and forward? It rotates.
Yeah, it has to like twist here and it goes flat.
Oh, serious?
Yeah. Same as this thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like the blade is just like this big loop.
Oh, right, okay.
That one, the blade has to twist.
Wow. Just one complete motion.
It's like vertical here.
Yeah.
And then it twists here to go around like a conveyor.
Far out.
Around like a pulley.
That's insane. Didn't even know, hey, I had no idea that was even a thing. Screwed on perfectly. There it is. That's the number plate bracket and the indicator. So there. It's just been welded, so it's boiling hot. We're calling it. That's a day for us, but we did good. Bash plate is done. Tail tidy is freaking done. Boom. Now it's just mounting those little indicators, bang under there. I'll just have to wire it up, move some wiring up here and there, which is fine, no problem. But it's looking so good. Okay, so we're almost done. The bash plate's done completely. Tick that off. Ding. The tail tidy is done. It just needs to be mounted. Kellerman's, and then it just needs to be wired up, and that's done. We just got to work out what to do with the front indicators. It's proven to be a little tricky, but we think we found a way, which is going to be awesome. I love the way it looks so far. Let's see how long it's taken. 2 days just to do those things, and that's custom. That's custom for you. It's good seeing the ins and outs of everything, and how much effort and time goes into just making tiny little things. Sometimes you need to spend an hour just to make a little device to be able to do the job that you need. And that's what Johnny's been doing. He's just been tinkering away the whole time. But you know, it's looking so sick. I can't believe how good everything looks so far. All right, I'm gonna go home because again, I am sweaty. All right, peace legends. Woo!